G83 temperature sensor fault. The fans are running all the time. 07 GTI, 253,000 miles on it. But I found a broken wire on this harness. Go underneath. I took the boost pipe off, and up there I unplugged it already. But that's some yellow and brown wire coming from the sensors up there someplace, temperature sensor. But go up under the hood. Yeah, this baby right here. Brown wire was broken off. I'm gonna solder it on, see if it fixes the constant running fan problem. All right, I'll let you know. All right, update. I fixed that wire down there, and my cooling fans are not running. Constantly running. So the engine running. So that was it. Because the G83 ground wire was broken. So, oh yeah, and it's unplugged now. But I had to clear the codes. Otherwise, the cooling fans were running. They were running full time, even when the car was off. So cooling fans did not come back on. So lovely Volkswagen broken wires.